Hi, this is Tim, and we've been up at Babs Field today testing the new version of Betaflight, which is 4.4 release candidate 5, and specifically the new GPS rescue feature, which is much improved and now has the capability to land instead of a controlled crash. So what is supposed to happen is that the GPS rescue mode first of all takes over flight control. It ascends a fixed distance and then it reorients itself to point to the home position. It flies back towards the home position, and then when it's over the home position it descends slowly to a controlled landing and disarms. That is what's supposed to happen, but it turns out my GPS unit isn't very compatible with it. It's not the right type and it works but not very gracefully. You can also see that my on-screen display is a bit messed up, or perhaps it's not obvious, but the lower half of the display there are loads of fields on top of each other that should be spread out, so there's a lot of information I can't see there, so I couldn't really fly too much beyond this simple test until that's sorted out. Okay, so here we go. Okay, so here we go, armed and taking off. And the plan is to fly down to the bottom end of the field. We need to be at least 100 meters away before GPS rescue will activate. That's a safety feature. And so just fly slowly to the bottom corner of the field here in angle mode. That's stabilized flight mode. And watching the distance up at the top left, the distance from home, 70 meters, 80, 90, and at just over 100 I enable GPS rescue. So rescue mode activated, ascending. Turns to orient towards the home location. The home direction arrow points directly up, which is good, but it immediately starts to descend and kind of does a bit of an ungraceful landing. So basically this would have got the quadcopter home if it had been lost, but not very gracefully. And basically this isn't Betaflight's fault. My GPS unit, as I say, is not really compatible with it and I need a new GPS unit. I've been Tim, thanks for watching and goodbye.